To view your course gradebook, click Gradebook on your course homepage. The gradebook is quite straightforward, but there are some features you might miss at first glance. For one, you can click on an assignment title to see which problems your students did or did not complete on that assignment. And two, you can even click on the cell to see the student in that row's submission for the problem in that column. If you're using Canvas, you can migrate your students' JustInfer grades by clicking Download Canvas CSV of Grades, and then following the instructions for importing grades to Canvas. You can find these instructions on this linked page. Canvas has done a good job at making the process relatively user-friendly on their end. When you upload the file downloaded from JustInfer to Canvas, Canvas will ask you a series of questions to make sure the process goes as you want it to. For example, Canvas will ask if you want to make a new assignment or link grades to a previously created assignment, if you want to manually alter any of the grades from the import, and more. So don't be afraid to try this feature out.